Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a giant paper peony using butcher paper. All the materials will be linked below the video, and I do have a template for the cricket or silhouette if you want to make the peony with cardstock paper. I didn't try running the butcher paper through the machine because after painting the paper, the butcher paper was very wrinkly and I wasn't sure how it would do in the machine. I also had a tricky way to paint this. I typically use gouache paint on butcher paper, but it was for a dark color, so it was perfect. But since I was trying to go for a light pink, I had to soak the paper with pigment, kind of like dyeing the paper, and it took a very long time to dry. You could try making these without painting it and just make them in white butcher paper, or do some trial and error with painting the paper, and it should still look good. You will need 12 sets of 5 petals in all the same height but ranging a variety of different widths. Some I made thin and some I made wider. You will have a total of 60 petals. Then shape them by folding in the middle and making the top side curve up. Then I attach these to a PVC pipe, but I typically add them onto a coupler that matches the PVC pipe, but I happen to have a PVC pipe that works. You'll need to slowly go in a circle and attach all the petals onto the pipe. Every so often, you will also need to create gaps by adding more paper in between. And at the end, start adding wire in between to make sure it shapes up and holds its shape. You will see what I mean as you watch through the video. And at the end, I show you a glimpse of how you make the flower stem and base so it could freestand, which I have a full tutorial linked below. You could also make these flowers to directly pin onto a wall for a wall backdrop. I also have a full tutorial for the stand and stem using concrete that I will link below, or you can directly attach these on a wall for a backdrop. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.